Spelt has been consumed around the world for generations and is one of the most popular grains today. Not only is spelt used in a variety of different recipes and food options, but it is also very nutritious and offers many unique health benefits for those who consume it. It is well known for being nutrient dense and is very heart healthy. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming spelt regularly. First, as mentioned previously, spelt is loaded with many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are important for our overall health. It contains high levels of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, niacin, copper, iron, and thiamin, among many others. It is also a good source of dietary fiber and protein. Consuming spelt regularly can also help to improve overall digestion and promote proper digestive function. This is often attributed to the high levels of fiber it contains. In just 1 cup of cooked spelt, there is about 7.5 grams of dietary fiber. This fiber can help to add bulk and allow food to pass through the digestive tract more efficiently. This can increase nutrient absorption from the healthy foods we eat and reduce unwanted digestive ailments, such as constipation, bloating, and diarrhea. Spelt is also very heart healthy and can help to promote the health of the heart many different ways, while also reducing the risk of developing heart disease. The high levels of fiber and other nutrients can help to decrease cholesterol levels in the body naturally. Spelt can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol while also regulating fatty acids and triglycerides. It can also help to reduce high blood pressure and prevent hypertension. This can also have positive effects on the health of the arteries and blood vessels. It can also help to improve overall bone health since spelt is so nutrient dense and contains many different bone healthy nutrients. It is a good source of both phosphorus and calcium, which studies have shown can help to strengthen the bones. The other bone healthy minerals and nutrients can help to prevent unwanted bone ailments, such as osteoporosis, especially as we get older. Lastly, consuming spelt regularly can help to boost the immune system naturally and help to prevent certain diseases. This is because it is a great source of iron, which studies have shown is linked to immune system health. This important mineral can help with the absorption of other nutrients, which can also help to improve immunity and reduce the risk of disease. As well, spelt can help to reduce inflammation that can compromise the immune system. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.